What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today we're putting VoIP under the microscope to see if it really lives up to the hype as the top VoIP pick for small businesses this year. From features to pricing to hidden quirks, we're covering it all, so grab your notepad and let's jump right in. VoIP positions itself as a one-stop shop for small business communication needs, offering everything from virtual PBX to international calling at competitive rates. The website emphasizes its scalability, businesses to add or remove lines effortlessly as they grow or downsize. Features like auto attendance and call analytics are particularly appealing for teams wanting to project a professional image while tracking performance metrics. The service also supports mobile apps, enabling remote work, a must-have in today's flexible work environments. However, while the feature list is impressive, the site doesn't provide much detail on data security or compliance certifications, which could be a red flag for industries with strict regulations. Pricing is customized based on requirements, which might benefit some but could feel opaque for budget-conscious buyers. User reviews highlighted on the site praise reliability, but independent testimonials are scarce, making it hard to verify real-world performance. Another minor gripe is the lack of a free plan or trial, though the 30-day money-back guarantee offers some peace of mind for businesses prioritizing ease of use and robust features. VoIP seems promising, but the lack of pricing transparency and limited support options might give pause to some VoIP offers. 3 main pricing plans, tailored to different needs. The residential plan costs $8.97 per month and is designed for home users, providing all-inclusive features to simplify home communication. The business VoIP plan, priced at $14.97 per month, targets small businesses with premium features, 99.99% network uptime, and expert support to help manage their phone systems. For more advanced users, the SIP trunking plan at $29.97 per month allows businesses to connect their own phone systems with unlimited simultaneous calls and quad-redundant switching for maximum reliability. Each plan includes premium features, and company emphasizes cost savings, especially for residential users who can save half or more compared to traditional services. Whether for home, business, or custom setups, VoIP aims to provide flexible and reliable VoIP solutions. Thanks for tuning in. If this review helped you out, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might be shopping for VoIP solutions. Got questions or suggestions for our next review? Let us know below. We read every comment. Catch you in the next video.